I tested 3 AI tools to make money in 2026. Which one actually works? If you've been looking for a way to make money online using AI, you've probably seen dozens of tools claiming they can help you earn fast. But here's the real question. Which AI tools actually work in real life? In this video, I tested 3 different AI tools that are commonly used for making money online. Not just theory, but practical, real-world use cases. I'll break down each tool step by step, show you what it does, how it can be used to generate income, and most importantly, whether it's worth your time or not. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand which AI tool is best for beginners, which one has the highest earning potential, and which one you should focus on depending on your goals. So let's get started. Tool number 1. AI Content Creation Tool. The first AI tool I tested is an AI content generation tool. This type of tool is mainly used for creating blog posts, social media content, YouTube scripts, and even product descriptions. Now here's how people are actually making money with it. One common method is blogging. You can create a blog, write SEO-optimized articles using AI, and monetize it with ads or affiliate marketing. Another method is freelancing. Many people offer content writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, and they use AI to speed up their workflow. Instead of spending hours writing content manually, AI helps generate drafts in seconds. Then you just edit, optimize, and deliver. Now the pros. Saves a lot of time. Beginner-friendly. No technical skills required. Can scale quickly. But there are some cons. Content needs editing for quality. Not fully passive income. Requires consistency to earn. Overall, this tool is best if you want to start freelancing or content-based income with low effort and no upfront cost. Tool number 2. AI Automation Tool. The second tool is more advanced, an AI automation tool. This type of tool helps you automate repetitive tasks like email responses, customer support, social media posting, and workflow automation. Now this is where things get interesting. People are using automation tools to build micro-businesses. For example, automating lead generation for clients, running automated email marketing systems, managing social media accounts for businesses. You can actually sell automation services to small businesses that want to save time and reduce manual work. The earning potential here is higher compared to simple content tools because you're solving business problems. Pros. High income potential. Scalable services. In-demand skill. Cons. Slight learning curve. Requires understanding of workflows. Takes time to set up initially. This tool is ideal if you want to build a long-term skill and offer high-value services instead of small gigs. Tool number 3. AI Video Creation Tool. The third tool I tested is an AI video creation tool. This tool allows you to create videos using AI voice, stock footage, and automated editing. This is especially useful for faceless YouTube channels, TikTok pages, or Instagram Reels. Here's how people make money with it. Running faceless YouTube channels with monetization. Creating short-form content for clients. Selling video content services to businesses. Affiliate marketing through video content. The biggest advantage here is that you don't need to show your face or have expensive equipment. Pros. Perfect for faceless channels. High content output. Works well for social media growth. Beginner-friendly editing workflow. Cons. Requires consistency to grow. Monetization takes time, especially YouTube, needs good content strategy. This tool is best if you want to build a content-based income stream or grow a faceless brand like this channel. Final comparison. Which one actually works? Now after testing all 3 tools, here's the honest breakdown. If you want quick freelancing income, right-pointing arrow, go with the Content AI tool. If you want high-income skills, right-pointing arrow, go with the Automation tool. If you want to build a long-term online brand, right-pointing arrow, go with the Video AI tool. Each tool works, but the best one depends on your goals. If you're a beginner looking for something simple, start with content creation. If you're willing to learn and scale, automation has the highest potential. And if you're interested in YouTube or content creation, video AI tools are the best choice. Closing. At the end of the day, AI tools are just tools. What really matters is how you use them. If you stay consistent, focus on learning one method, and take action, you can definitely build an income stream using AI. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI tools, side hustles, and online income strategies. See you in the next